Sis, I think you're taking this too far. Father didn't mean it.
Godson, get out of my way. Get out of my way. Now.
What is it? You want to leave this house? You want to go and pack your things and leave? Is that it?
No, didn't you hear him say our days are numbered in this house? Oh, you're waiting for when he will throw you out. See, the earlier you all realize that your days in this house really are numbered, the better for parasite like you. Because that is how he sees you. He sees you as a parasite disturbing him in his own house.
Sis, this is exactly what I'm trying to tell you. Father was only upset.
God's point of correction. That man is not my father. My father will not throw me out of his house or connive with his brothers to treat us as slaves in our own house. So please, if you don't mind, get out.
Wait, at least tell me where you're going to.
It's nobody's business where the hell I am going to. Would you mind get out or I'll push you?
Good job.
Which level be this one now?
Where did you get those girls from? They have finished me.
But guy, be coming down, no. You took a fear, Joe. Ordinary girls. Look, my guy, you needed solace from all your predicament. That was why. You know?
Well, I didn't tell you that I needed women now.
What?
I don't tell you. I just told you I needed to cool off, but not that kind of.
What, my guy? You personally dragged those babes down here. The last time I checked, I didn't ask any of them to follow you. You dragged them here.
If you see the way the girl they bounce. Even saying that size 5.
But that was what you needed.
That's what I needed, but no, that was like on the extreme.
Oh, guy, you be mad. Wait till they worry you.
Yeah. What's up? My phone.
Okay, oh, your phone. I have it. Here is it. Left it in the car.
Everyone has been calling, eh?
Yeah, virtually everybody in the family.
My father. Okay. See, God knows I ain't going back to that house. I ain't going back to that house. Oh, even my distant cousin called as well. I see, let them keep calling.
Diobi, listen, you've started again. Honestly speaking, I'm not in support of this. For God's sake, you are being hasty. I must say, you are being in a haste.
Say whatever you like. I honestly don't care. See, go and tell those girls to leave. I'm tired already.
For what reason? As your errand boy or your younger brother? You brought them here. If you want them to leave, you go in there and tell them to leave yourself. Look at you. Look at how you're sweating.
It's not about you supporting me. It's about me doing what I need to do. See, the earlier I realized that that man is not my father and I don't belong in that house, the better for me.
I know you will be going through a lot right now.
I'm not going through anything. I'm okay.
And I do not want you taking any hasty decision. Just relax.
Well, like I said, my darling, I am relaxed. As a matter of fact, I've never been relaxed like this in my life. Knowing what I know now, I am relaxed, my love. Very, very relaxed.
You know nothing. You know nothing, yes. I think you're upset. That is what it is.
About what? My dear, I am not. I know who I am right now, and that is what matters. So, every other thing, Abiko, I'm okay. I'm good.
You know nothing, honestly.
Ebere, please, can we change the topic? Please.
If not because of the tremendous respect we have for you, we could have reported this matter a long time to the Igwe.
I have told all of you to give me a little time so that I can wrap my head around all this.
We are tired of hearing this in Jamanze. Do something about it. Ihabualo, this is an abomination.
You see, the Osa Major is this family business. Jamanze has a lot going on in the hands of aliens, strangers, and that is not too good.
I have capable and competent staff who have worked with me over the years, and I trust all of them.
You stay here in the village and you claim to trust all your staff. Do you really know what's happening in your businesses?
You see, the problem with Njamanze is the inter-vivos trust he has for people. And that, it's not healthy to do that. It's not.
Let me ask all of you, what do you people really want?
Exactly a good question I've been expecting from you. It was a great higher expectation. Thank you.
Njamanze,
Ikoku here is the closest family member.
That's right.
Who went to school after you.
That's right.
He is a SAN graduate.
That's right.
And he has been running his own personal business for over 20 years now.
That's right.
Why can't you put him in charge of your own business? Why?
Am I dead?
Are you wishing death on yourself?
You are the one wishing me dead.
I never said so.
You are the one wishing me dead. Huh? And over my dead body, will I allow... No.
No, now. Why would you say a thing like that? That's rather too harsh. Over your dead body? No.
Are you the one asking this? Are you the one asking this? All of you are aware what Ikoku did to my other company in Owerri. And people asked me to withdraw it from there.
They did?
Yes, and you are now telling me to make him in charge of my company over my dead body. I will never do that.
Njamanze, I don't want you to go on all about this. I know I was a cacophonious Kwandamende, but that is all in the past. You see, I am a new man. I am renewed. Like, we have Old English and we have New English. This is a revised standard version of me, right? So you don't judge me by the past, right? So I want you to reconsider your impudent adventure and then put me in the front line of your business. That is why we're here.
Okay. Set up your own business. Run it for at least 1 year. Prove me wrong. Then I will hand over the business to you.
Njamanze, the bitter truth in this matter is this. You don't have any child that will succeed you when you are no more.
I thank you. Thank you.
Then why do you want to entrust all this empire of business you have to those bastards? Why?
Alien, I weep. I weep for my brother.
Ojuko, if that is what it will take to prevent this wasteful human being to come close to my company that I've labored all over my life, I will be left with no other choice.
Ujamasa, you called me a wasteful human being.
You are a wasteful human being. There is no other word that befits your personality.
For that you call me a wasteful human being. This is quite preposterous. And I'm leaving this meeting.
No, let him leave.
No, come back.
Let him leave.
It is quite preposterous.
Njamanze, you cannot disrespect us and drag the tradition into the mud. What that woman did is called sacrilegious. She and her children have to leave as soon as possible. They must leave.
Exactly. Exactly.
Look at the way they are scattering the family.
Wait. Have you also forgotten that what you are talking about here is my family? My own family. Yes. I will handle it myself.
No, you cannot.
Sorry, sir. Sorry, brother. No.
We will handle it, not you.
I overheard everything. I'll leave. Rachel left yesterday. Joby left too. I'll go. Always remember in all this, I am innocent.
You will not leave this house until I have decided what to do with you. Henceforth, you will no longer stay in the same room with me. Pack your things to the other room until I decide what to do with you. Excuse me.
What about Godson? You've not said anything concerning him.
Listen to your inner heart. Oh, you prove your words through your actions, not by your ways. Be wise, be wise. Oh, mama, Chima, oh, make a major.
Mom, Father is a good man. He's just under a lot of pressure at the moment.
His brothers want to make him send all of us away.
I overheard them. I heard everything, Mom. Thank God Father is not a coward like his brothers.
Don't talk about your uncles.
But they say they're not my uncles.
I don't know why this is happening. I've never cheated on your father.
It's okay, Mom. I believe you. I believe everything you say. You know, Mom, I've been thinking about this. I've been thinking a lot about this lately.
What have you been thinking about?
I don't know, Mom. Maybe something got mixed up somewhere. I mean, something is wrong somewhere. Things like this don't just happen.
No. Nothing is wrong. I've been to 3 different hospitals. The results are all the same.
Are you sure?
That is why I'm confused. I'm confused.
Well, bro, I think you've been hasty about this your plan of moving to the West.
There's nothing hasty about moving to the West. I just need to start my life by myself, for myself, and with myself.
Don't get it twisted. I'm not trying to stop you. What I'm sure you know is like literally starting life from the scratch.
There's nothing bad as having a fresh start. That's what I need, a fresh start. Restart.
Well, it's okay. You're mature, you know what you want. I hope you are comfortable about it. The whole thing.
You know, Godson, most times you talk like a fool. And I'm illiterate.
Mitchell, I didn't come here for you to start insulting me all over again.
Then why would you say such nonsense? Because you sounded like one. You sounded like a fool. The reason why we are here talking about this is because your mother cheated. Mom cheated on our dad. That's why we're talking about this. So what are you saying?
You know, it is particularly disappointing that mother cannot trust any of you to believe her.
Oh, really? Well, it is particularly disappointing that you have failed to see that your mother is a cheat. Do you want me to spell it out for you? She cheated on dad. That's why we are on this issue. It is DNA we are talking about. We're not talking about a medical condition. So there is nothing or anything anyone can say or anyone can do. It's not a miracle happening. But what was it you said you came here to do?
I came here to see you.
To see me?
Yes.
Well, you've seen me.
Richard, why are you like this?
Like what?
Like this. Like all this is. What is it? It's not fair. Come on. Have you even bothered to ask how mother is faring? Do you know that Joby has been away from home for some time now?
And how is that my business? Well, unlike you, Godson, I've learned to mind the business that pays me. And you see all this garbage you just said now? None of them pays me. It's none of my business. Well, like I said, you came here to see me, you've seen me. So when you're done, and when you're tired of sitting here, you can go.
Mom, in fact, she sounded and looked very comfortable. Defensive as usual.
Rachel is strong-willed. That's one thing she has that I have too.
Mom, that's not being strong-willed. She's being unreasonable and I don't like that at all.
I understand why she is behaving the way she does. She thinks I have disappointed her faith in me.
But Mom, how will all these things end? I mean, when is all this is going to end?
I do not know, my dear son. In all honesty, I cannot comprehend this. I can't. Oh.
It's okay. It's okay. Stop crying.
Rachel, there's something I want us to talk about.
Okay.
You told me your younger brother discussed something with you concerning your...
You mean Godson?
Yes.
Well, which one in particular? Because Godson says a lot of nonsense.
Whatever nonsense he said, I think I am reading meaning into it.
Well, Berry, you shouldn't. Trust me, you shouldn't. For Godson is known for saying nonsense most of the time.
Rachel,
don't bother yourself.
Rachel, think about your mother. She has passed through a lot under the heat of...
And your point being...
You need to go see her. Yes.
Well, Ebere, sorry to disappoint you. I will not. I won't go there. Please.
You told me that your hungry uncles are gunning after your father's assets. Now that you and Diobi have left, what happens now? You have given them access to your father's assets.
Words came to us that you wanted to see us. I hope you finally made up your mind to do the needful.
If only you will hear me out.
I am all ears, and I wish to hear every bit of what you have to say.
I have thought of it. You are all my family members.
Yes.
And I know you really want the best for me and my family.
That's true, that's true.
And I have decided that
what are we fighting for? What are we dragging for? Gini kaina chali, gini kaina sadinua. What are we fighting for? What are we dragging for? Gini kaina chali, gini kaina saline pueblo. Money, ego, better position for selfish interest. Because of money, you don't know yourself. Because of earthly things, you love money.
I want you to know that I love you. I love you so, so much. You're my mother and the only one I have. And I'm very sorry I deserted you when you needed me the most. I'm sorry I left. And I promise you, I will never ever leave you again. I believe you completely.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you for coming back home. Where is your brother? Why is he not here?
Mom, I don't think Job is on the same page with us. He is still very upset.
Upset about what?
should be. I understand. Your father said he won't be in charge of any position until he thinks otherwise. It's okay. I heard he's about to make Uncle Ikoku the new MD of the company. Why father still haven't learned his lesson is what I don't understand. How can't he learn his lesson from the past dealings with this crafty, old, wasteful, greedy man? I mean, everybody knows this about this man except my father. What do you want me to say?
Ikoko is his brother.
Oh, please. His wicked brother. I don't understand why father can't just see the handwriting written boldly on the wall.
Characterize people by their actions. You know, go and you will never be fooled again by their words. Oh, mama. Oh, mama, changigo. Oh, mega, mega. Oh, mama, changigo. Fighting to destroy us. Please don't let them to succeed.
Leaving, balling, chilling. And then the things that he or she is not cool with that. We don't give a damn, you get that.
That's what I love about you.
You feel you love me? So think about that. I hope you don't twerk it really hard for me.
Joby now brings chaos into this house.
He's doing it to spite Dad.
So this is how he intends to prove to Dad that he's capable of managing the company. Is that it?
Well, whatever he has to do to pass his message across. But I must say, this is extreme.
You have to talk to him. You have to really talk to him.
I didn't hear you. What did you say?
I said you have to talk to him.
I have to talk to him.
Yeah, because he listens to you.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
He's not your brother, right?
If you could convince him not to travel to the West, I'm sure you can convince him to stop doing this rubbish.
Oh, really? Whew! Well, I almost forgot it's you. Godson, you're known for saying rubbish. I mean, nonsense. So I wouldn't waste my saliva with you.
Oh, you're spotting him? You're spotting him, right?
Uncle, I'm busy here. Don't disturb me.
What is the Hulu value? Why are you looking so solemn? I have been in our bed, waiting for you for us to perform our matrimonial safari. But my great expectation wasn't forthcoming. So what is it?
A man whose house is on fire doesn't chase rats. Onyu no ya na agba ọkụ anaghị achụ oke.
Excuse me, I don't get it. Whose house is unextinguished here?
What are you saying, Ikoku? I'm asking you. Eh? When the hands are open in expectations, the heart is only ready in delight. But on the contrary, my heart bleeds. Because those hands have been closed in emptiness and void.
I still don't understand. You have made me lost in your incoherence navigatory in your oratory.
I was told that in your very eyes, those bastards came back into that mansion. And not you or any of your brothers said anything.
Sweetheart, honestly, I do not know what to do with my brother. I don't know what to make of Njamanze.
think that woman has him under her spell.
And I have the power to demystify the mystery. I will tell that woman the reason I was nicknamed Ikokinwama in Ndufa Dikeh.
Stop it. Stop speaking too much English in this one. Don't speak too much grammar. Start acting. Make any ife. Do something.
Well, it's okay. You are going on a high pedestrian out of anger, so let us quickly walk to a matrimonial bed and do some untold stories of the moonlight. You know, they are left on top because you know.
Leave me alone.
It's okay. How she can just give me.
Leave me alone.
Yeah, it's okay. I understand.
Or whatever they call you. What are you doing here this morning?
All the things I'm here for. I'm not here to see your dirty face. Where's your husband?
So you have the guts to come into my compound to insult me.
Where's he go? Where's he go?
What is this acoustic interference for? How dare you refer to me in such manner?
Igoku, I know exactly what you, Mazo Chukwu and Dikeh are planning. I know everything now.
How dare you refer to me as Ikoku?
What? Are you expecting me to call you uncle? Oh wait, you are expecting me to call you uncle. You said it yourself. You're not my uncle. So why do you expect me to call you uncle? Let me tell you the reason I'm here. I'm here to ask you, to warn you, to tell your brother to stay away from my family. Stop forcing my father into making decisions he's not ready for. Stop forcing my father. Please.
Can you imagine?
Young man, that is not your family.
Oh.
Your mother is an unbearable cheap slut, so kindly meet your mother so that she will give you a dossier of your health records and your genealogy. Okay?
I know all this your stupidity, your amnesia is because you are gunning for the position of the MD, which I'm very, very sure that if they put you in that position, you're going to run the company down. Because all the opportunities, all the chances my father gave you in the past, you wasted all of them. And now you're back, dragging him on the neck, asking for the possible. Are you not stupid? Are you not mad as old as you are?
Hey, shut up! I said shut up your mouth. How can you come into my compound to insult my husband? Are you mad? Now get out! Get out!
He's one clearly mad. Stay the hell out of my family. I'm warning you.
Get out! Get out!
Stupid man.
Get out, boy! Look at him! Bastard! Bastard! You already know his position. Don't worry yourself.
So that epileptic idiot had the guts to come into this compound and you couldn't break his head? Mama, you should have broken his head.
What got me so angry was that your father was standing there, looking at that boy, raining insult upon insult on each and every one of us. And he couldn't say anything.
Why are you
always... He could not say anything.
Why are you always painting me black before my daughter? Why?
Because you always claim to be a feeble man when you're supposed to rise up to the occasion.
What do you mean by that? What do you mean by that? Of course you know my brother. That boy is not good to touch at. Because if you touch him now, you know the implication. My brother will come here and pick the little one he has given to us and chase us out of this house.
Papa, that was then. Chief will not do anything to you if you tame that idiotic boy. He knows the truth now. Oh, he should take his stance that I wasn't around. Akalme Dokia. Akalme Dokia, that useless boy.
Your father here is afraid. He is just afraid. Eh? From the way he is going about all this, I don't think our dream of moving into that mansion will come to pass.
God forbid. God forbid. I reject it. Swear. Mama, please don't say that again. Biko, take it easy.
No. Allow her to go on. Let her go on her oratory safari of insulting me. Because she's a desperate woman in a mundane world.
What do you mean?
I mean what I mean.
You are a good-for-nothing man. Oh, you are calling me a desperate woman.
You are nothing but a Discordian species.
All you know is to speak grammar. Speak grammar up and down. But you can't act.
You are nothing but a colossal pain in the ass.
Act it.
You are nothing but a colossal pain in the ass.
Act it. Look at a small boy. A small boy. Came into your compound and insulted you. And you couldn't do anything. A colossal pain in the ass.
Mazi Ojukwu. Yes. You know my husband can be a weakling sometimes. From the way he's going about all this, nothing we talked about will come to pass.
Alice, all you have to do is to give you just more time. The fault is not from your husband, but our brother in Jemanze. You know he can be very, very stubborn sometimes. He has refused to send that prostitute away.
But you are the eldest of them all. Don't you think the decision is yours to make?
If so, I would have driven her away long time before now.
Then tell the Igwe. That woman cheated and had 3 children with another man. Let the Igwe know about this so that our tradition will bring an end to all this.
And you think that the Igwe does not know about this?
He does?
Yes. That's why he asks us to allow Jemanze to be the judge over his own case.
What does that mean?
It means that Igwe and Jemanze, they are together.
What does that mean?
It means that Igwe is on his side.
Igwe is what?
On his side. Jemanze's side.
Hey.
There we are living in peace. Therefore come enter. Waiting your mara. On your bonnet, Kashiba. I want you. Yo. Adromado. Oki Sheme. I want you. Doggy. If I like a bunkegi. Nambi Bajo. What are we fighting for? What are we dragging for? Give me kind of Johnny. Give me kind of Sunday. What are we fighting for? What are we dragging for? Give me kind of Johnny. Give me kind of Sunday. Money. Ego. Better position for selfish interest. What are we fighting for? What are we dragging for? Give me kind of Johnny. Give me kind of Sunday. What are we fighting for? What are we dragging for? Give me kind of Johnny. Give me kind of Sunday. Money. Ego. Better position for selfish interest.
I've told you to stay away from Diobi, but you won't listen. Are you not even ashamed? You cheap prostitute. Diobi is my boyfriend. You better stay away. Really? Shut up! Keep your mouth shut because your mouth is stinking, it's smelling. Yes, if you don't know, get that into your skull. So let me tell you one thing. Diobi loves me so much and gives me everything I want because I have figure 8. You are too fat for him. If you don't know, say I hear Colin, Diobi is my boyfriend. Boyfriend indeed. How dare you? You just let me.
What is this? What is this? Who are you people? Right here in my house? What are you doing here? What are you doing here? You must be out of your senses to think your Tom has to protect.
How dare you raid my house with noise from your prostitute? Why will you do that? Now tell me. Isn't it enough that I'm trying to damn your odds by giving you benefit of doubt? Repeat that next time, you see what I will do to you. I'll put you where you belong. Now get out.
Those girls almost turned this place into a brothel. And at some point, I thought father was going to do something nasty.
Obviously, he cannot do anything to me. I know his secrets. If he disgraces me, I disgrace him too.
Diobi.
repeat this again, I will not only send him away, he will ever regret knowing me.
I have no hand in whatever Diobi did. You should talk to him as his father.
He is not my son. He is not my son. How can I ever father such a rascal? Isn't it becoming clearer that he is everything in form of a bastard? How can he possibly be proceeded from my loins if he...
German, say enough! Enough of your incessant threats. Enough of this, your incessant threats! Go ahead and do what is on your mind. Go! I am tired. I am tired of me feeling like I am at your mercy. I am suffocating here. Stop this threat! I am tired!
Very well then. You know where you got this your bastard from? Like murder, like son.
Listen to your inner heart. Oh, you prove your words.
Shall not end.
Come on, get out! Get out! Before I do something stupid! Get out!
What's the meaning of this nonsense?
You're a despicable, rotten piece of rubbish!
But what about you? No, what about you, mother? You made another man believe that he's been the father of his 3 children for over 30 years. Whereas it's not his. Do you know how ashamed I feel about you?
Joby, if I lay a curse on you, you'll be doomed for life.
And you tell me, how else am I supposed to be doomed than not knowing who my real father is? Huh?
And you chose this path. I've always thought you knew better.
Some way. I've always thought you were a good mother. But no! You are that mother that has brought this kind of paternal divide to a once peace and loving family. Daddy!
She's innocent to know. Why do you want to wicked her? You just want to disgrace her. You put her in pain. You put her in
Ah, Chief. What a pleasant visit. Do sit down, please. How are you?
I am fine.
Welcome.
Yes.
So, what do I owe this pleasant visit?
Dr. Cletus, my house is in crisis. And in as much as I don't want to take any hasty action, I equally don't want to do anything that will dissipate my immediate family.
So, Chief, what have you finally made up your mind to do?
I don't know yet, Doctor, but I have plans.
Really? So, tell me about it.
My brothers, you are all welcome.
Thank you, Lion.
We are all aware that the legacy of every man is as important as the pendulum that runs in his life. Therefore, it is of utmost importance for it to be entrusted not only in the hands of those who can keep it safe, but also in the hands of those who can carry it to the generations to come. Ikoku here is my younger brother. I have faith in him, and he is the next most educated in our family. And Dobi is supposed to be my son. But you are aware of the state of my family right now. I have made my choice about the soldier arm that will ride the horse of my dynasty. Barrister here has something to say.
Of course not, Chief. I mean, you have said it all. I just need you to sign this. And I will make the announcement of the new MD for everyone. Please, Chief.
I will pronounce my successor and as well sign. Barrister, I hope it's okay.
Yes, you can proceed.
The person I found worthy and competent to handle the affairs of my company, who can actually take it to the next level, is
Chief, Dad, is everything all right? Dad, Chief, Dad.
Uncle Ojukwu is requesting for your presence.
Oh, please tell him I'm still attending to my husband.
Did your son ever inform you that Ichie Ojukwu needed to see you in the sitting room?
Yes, and I told him I'm still attending to my husband.
Oh, what a tremendous impute. Well, your attention is needed in the sitting room rather than in the living room.
Ikoko, go. Tell your brothers that I can't. I need to see to my husband first.
As a medical doctor? A gyno? A nail? Or perhaps as physio?
I don't care, whatever. I'm not leaving this room until he's well.
It's okay, madam. Sorry.
I can't leave my husband like this.
No, she's a medical doctor.
You are the lady, you are reckless. Omaraba Dikeh, you're not drunken no. You are the lady, you are reckless. Omaraba Dikeh, you're not drunken no. You are the lady, you are reckless. Omaraba Dikeh, you're not drunken no. You are the lady, you are reckless. Omaraba Dikeh, you're not drunken no. Onyanyuku emptiness bugogi.
Woman, you cannot waste our time. We have other things to do.
Ichie Ojukwu, is this meeting not supposed to be adjourned? I mean, why are you still keeping my children and everyone else here? Chief is unwell for this meeting to continue.
On the contrary, we've decided that this meeting must go on.
Why? My father is unwell, so this meeting is cancelled.
Uncle, you have no right to make decision over my father while he's still breathing. It's absurd.
That's like pronouncing him dead while he's still alive.
Call it whatever you like. Ngemanze is my younger brother. These two are his younger brother as well.
And so what? I ask. Ichiogu, and so just what? My husband lies in there in his bedroom, attended to by a doctor. Rather than you respect this moment as the eldest, ask the others to go to their houses and wait till he gets back to his feet, you're chairing a meeting in his house. Over him. I don't understand. What are you trying to prove?
Listen, all of you. We are the Ngemanze's family.
And we are what?
Imported noodles and pastas.
I beg your pardon?
Yes, that's what they are.
Ha!
Wait, listen up. Listen up. If you have no respect for my father, then you should respect the fact that he legally married this woman standing here. So you all should accord her some respect.
Can you talk to my elder brother in that manner? Have you lost your sense of reasoning?
Oh, you guys shouldn't come here and do all of this. It's not allowed. I'm speaking. I'm speaking. You don't have enough. Enough.
I've kept quiet for a long time.
Enough.
What is this?
Look, do you want to beat him now?
Enough.
Yeah, doctor. How dare you interrupt the meeting that I'm having with my family? My meeting.
What is wrong with all of you? Chief is standing there and he needs all the rest and in a certain environment, at least to help him induce the mental and physical serenity he requires right now. And not this sort of, unnecessary cacophony.
Please, can somebody tell this family domestic influencer to keep his mouth shut or die trying? Will he keep their mouth shut? I don't want anybody to provoke me for that.
Uncle, be coming down. Coming down.
No problem. Nobody. You see this your incessant behavior. I've heard it up to here. Insult me. Rain all the abuses. Tell me anything you want, but not when my husband is lying ill. I can't compromise that. You know your problem. No one. Nobody has ever spoken to you the way you should. Are you alright? What is your problem? Have a selling. What?
Hey!
Tell me before you get to my husband.
This is abomination.
Let it be.
Hey!
So my husband, what was the result at the end of the day? I was thinking you would come home with that big announcement.
My dear wife, relax. Eh? Because Sarah, what is gonna be is gonna be. The battle is not over yet.
This one that chief is sick. I thought you said you
Of course, he was going to announce to everybody that I'm going to be the new MD. But wait. I can't suspect that my brother, Jamaz, knows what he's doing. I suspect a foul play. A clandestine one at that.
Exactly. I've been thinking the same thing. Yes. I was even thinking this whole thing is not true.
Excuse me.
Yes, I suspect that foolish doctor is the one telling Jamanze what to do. You know he doesn't like you.
What do you mean by saying that? Are you saying that conniving, slippery maggot of a doctor has connived with my brother to plan all this?
Don't be surprised if it turns out to be so. Don't be surprised though.
My dear wife, for the first time you are using your cerebrum and cerebrum in a more vertical into practice. Yes, for the first time you are making sense. Hey.
Why won't you just commend me without insulting me?
You are making sense because I was wondering what that domestic staff of my brother could be doing all the while they are making their secret meetings. And
Can you just commend me
No,
for
I have eulogized you. There is something we call eulogy. That is praising someone for what he or her has done. This is what we call eulogy.
It's okay.
Or Ode?
It's okay. I suspect this whole sickness thing is fake.
Yes, it's Sido. Yes.
What do you call it?
Sido.
Sido.
Yes, that is fake.
That is what it is. Fake, right?
Yes.
Oh yeah, go. Something important doing inside before you brought yourself here. How can I help you?
I came to see my best friend. You know, it's been a while and I miss you so much.
You what? Talk now, you what?
Mitchell, let her just
Will
talk.
you shut that thing you call him out? Please. Are you having a seizure? Open your mouth and talk now. You what? Auntie, I'm waiting for you to say something. Well, as I can remember, I don't remember me telling anyone that I'm looking for friends. No, neither did I put out a sign saying I'm looking for a friend. Even though, if I am looking for a friend, it won't be you. So like I said, what do you